Hi, this is Kevin Chen from Shengtai Pressware, and you are watching JUSTIME's online product talk. I would like to thank Titri and Archidex first for this great opportunity to talk about our company and products. I am the commissioner from the marketing department, and I'm here to introduce to you our latest product series. This product talk is mainly divided into 4 sections. First, in About JUSTIME, I will be giving you a brief introduction of our company and some of our domestic and overseas construction projects recognitions. Second, for the product introduction, I will be introducing some of our products from the Nature series. Third, you will see some of the groundbreaking technologies the Nature product series have. And finally, the conclusion for this presentation. And now, let us begin with the company introduction. We started our own business in 1976 as an OEM foundry in Lugang, Zhanghua, and later we established our own brand JUSTIME. We feature in-house manufacturing and designing processes, and for the past 40 years, providing the best product quality has always been our highest policy. Until now, we have developed thousands of products, including faucets, shower mixers, bathroom accessories, freestanding accessories, and plumbing fittings. We participate in domestic and overseas expositions in order to enhance the brand awareness and to seek for potential buyers and dealers. Even now, during the pandemic, we will promote our brand and product by participating in online trade shows. Here, let me show you some of our iconic and classic products. The one you're seeing right now is the Nature Series Bath Shower Mixer. This one is the Lucky 7 Series 2-handle basin faucet, the beautiful ceiling-mounted basin faucet, the vivacious kitchen faucet with pull-out sprayer, and the Lucky 7 basin faucet combination. Moreover, in 2016, JUSTIME's Lucky 7 single-handle wall-mounted basin mixer won the iconic IF Gold Award. In order to expand our business in the water plumbing industry, we have been active in both private and public construction projects and seek for cooperation with local construction firms and interior designers. Here you will see some of our domestic and overseas construction projects. The first one is the Empire Hotel, a time-honored, world-famous hotel in New York, USA. We also make the water fountains in the Taipei MRT stations. So next time if you come to Taiwan and take the Taipei MRT, make sure to pay close attention to water fountains. The third project is the Birdman Motel in Taichung, Taiwan, where it features the exclusive Asia-only cave-styled rooms. The next stop is the Gloria Manor Hotel in Pingtung, Taiwan, where it used to be the place where our former president Chiang Kai-shek stayed as he traveled to southern part of Taiwan. The fifth project is a skincare store called Aesop in Taipei. By the way, Aesop is an Australian skincare brand. The last one is the Casa Ogumo Guest House in Kyoto, Japan. This is a century-old wooden house. It was nearly dilapidated before Taiwanese interior designer Fang Yinping refurnished it and transformed it into a guest house for tourists. From the construction project introduced above, you may realize our ambition to expand brand awareness overseas. We have remarkable achievement in the IF Design Award. Besides rank number 3 in the bath category, JUSTIME is also ranked top 10 in Taiwan, top 25 in Asia, and top 100 in the world. And we also have the top 25 in-house design teams. Many more domestic and overseas recognition are as follows. From 2009 until now, we have won 23 Red Dot Design Awards, 44 Taiwan Excellence Awards, 29 IF Design Award, etc. Therefore, we are proud to say that our products win many recognitions among our customers and business dealers around the world. And now, let's start the product introduction. The Nature series features the infinite imagination of various lives, and by observing the various living species, designers depict the shape of the faucet from stems, expressing the idea of prosperity in natural life. Inspired by the shape of branches and growing stalks of trees and plants, designers observe a wide variety of living organisms in order to sketch the product contours. Eliminating all the redundant and exaggerating look, they keep the purest and most primitive appearance of the ecosystem. This enabled them to mimic boundless growth and to tell the story of elemental life. The handle of the faucets in the Nature line are designed with simplicity and elegance to harness the pulsation of life for a truly intimate experience. With the outstanding look, JUSTIME's Nature Series Faucets has won the 2013 Taiwan Excellence Award and 2015 Chicago Good Design Award. The high-spout basin faucet is designed to ensure the water is delivered in the perfect position. A freestanding basin or over-countertop basin can fit perfectly to all bathroom styles, whether they are made of glass, wood, or composite materials, which are all being in trend. You may also choose the standard faucet location, either placing it right at the center behind the basin or at the side of it, and to emphasize your own design style as its aesthetical look. Here, I would like you to imagine something. Imagine that you are home after a long tiring working day. With the Nature Series shower products, it helps you to completely relax and relieve yourself for daily stress, and bring your mind back to peace, as if you're bathing under the warm sunlight, smelling the fragrance of fandozin, and listening to the birds singing. All the JUSTIME Nature Series products are inspired by Mother Nature. Its elegant and yet simple design speaks out loud. 4 iconic international design awards consistently acknowledge JUSTIME Nature Shower Mixer. The powerful design of JUSTIME Nature Series is characterized by the beauty of slenderness and smoothness. The elegant and concise lines of wall-mounted basin mixer evoke nature in all its energy, harmony, and vitality. The first product I will be introducing is the Nature Series LED Illuminated Sensor Mirror. Unlike conventional styles, we designed this nature mirror with contemporary look, breaking the barrier of strict and conventional geometrical lines such as square or circle. As a result, we have a quite unique shape which refers to the nature concept. The illuminated LED light is located at the back, surrounding the mirror. It features sensor operation, so there's a sensor at the back, which is waterproof. And the sensing range is around 5 centimeters. As for the power input, the universal input voltage is suitable for both 110 and 220 volts. Here, we offer various sizes of mirrors for customers to choose. And these are some of the photos taken in the exposition, which gives you an actual look of the mirrors. And you can see that with their accordance with the Nature Series faucets and bathroom accessories, the mirror would be applicable for a wide variety of bedroom layouts. Next is the basin sensor faucet. As we all know that the COVID-19 pandemic is severe for nearly the past 2 years, which boosts the universality of sensor products especially the sensor faucets. With this sensor faucet, people could wash their hands without touching it, which reduces the chance of virus spreading and possible infection. Therefore, compared to private housing, this sensor faucet is more suitable for lavatories of public spaces, such as hotels, hospitals, parks, government agencies, and many more. This is the video of the actual state of how the faucet operates. As for the functionality, the Nature Series wall-mounted basin sensor faucet is equipped with a highly sensitive infrared sensor, which will start providing water outlet if valid sensing over 0.5 seconds. On the contrary, the faucet also has a smart water-saving mechanism. The valve would cut off water outlet if water flows for over 60 seconds. As for the power source, the sensor faucet is powered by 4 AA alkaline batteries. The simple and graceful look of the Nature Series wall-mounted basin sensor faucet not only impresses our customers and dealers, but also the jury of IF Design Award and Red Dot Design Award. After rounds of voting, the Nature Series wall-mounted basin sensor faucets stand out among all the competitors and wins the 2021 IF and Red Dot Design Award. Next one is the Nature Series shower mixer. Again, the simple shape is with complete functions. The unique water partition protects users from unwary scald as they are showering. The diverter has been designed with special structure for smooth operation, regardless of high or low water pressure. The last product I will be introducing is the Nature Series bathroom accessories. The Nature Series bathroom accessories are made of respective functionalities and are also like the diversity of meristem in nature that brings relaxing feeling for users in bathroom spaces. Collaborating with Senpei Design, we brainstorm about the accessories design and function request, while the designer Li Jiyuan does the interior design for customers. The towel bar is inspired by the branches of tree, simplifying the form of tree outlines which the blank has been created from, and make different style of products by processing technology. The length of the towel bar is 66.3 centimeters and is capable of holding objects of up to 4 kilograms. The towel bar is suitable for not only private housing, but also hotel bathrooms. What do you think of the tissue holder? The tissue holder is made of brass, which meets ISO standard, and the maximum load of the tissue holder is up to 5 kilograms. How does it look if a shelf is attached to the tissue holder? The shelf is made of artificial stone and is a symbolization of growing plants. For practical functionality, you could lay lotion bottles on it as you are taking a shower. Now try to imagine, if you are in the toilet, we assume that you need a platform to lay your personal belongings, right? Instead of putting them on the floor, wouldn't it be wonderful if there's a shelf for you to lay your bags or phones on? It is not only convenient, but also relatively hygienic. It is needless to mention that JUSTIME is quality-oriented. Even with the small accessories that are easily overlooked, we still dedicate time and effort to achieve perfection, just like this rope hook. The rope hook is made of brass with plated chrome and passes 96 hours of salt spray test. Similar to tissue holder with shelf, these two shelves provide convenient using experiences. When fixed in the shower room, you could put soaps and all kinds of lotion bottles as you are showering. When fixed above the sink, you could lay your toothpaste or cosmetics. JUSTIME's Nature Series bathroom accessories not only pursues functionality, it is visually more comfortable as well, enhancing the texture of the bathroom space. The concept originates from the beauty of the slim tree branches. Designers turned this concept into metal tubes, integrated it into the basic element of this series, and making it look clean and concise. As I mentioned earlier, the shelves are made of artificial stone, which expresses the image of growing plants and creates a relaxing feeling, as if the bathroom space is integrated with Mother Nature. Finally, I will be talking about JUSTIME's groundbreaking technologies and designs. In order to provide customers with a safe, comfortable, and humanized experience, we dedicate time and effort in developing faucets that meet high safety standards. For the award-winning single and two-handle faucets, the material of handle meets JIS 3771 standards, and the finishes meets the standard of ASTM SC2 and are corrosion and tarnish resistant. As for the engineering aspect, the innovative movable cartridge structure can change the way the product is installed. And since the valve body is conformed to the long-established construction method, it makes the product outside the wall to be installed easier and smoother. It is not only a good solution as a construction plan, for the customers, it is more beneficial and adds value to the products as well. Now let's talk about the valves and the concealed shower solutions. The water outlet is on the holder, which is suitable for hand shower, sprayer, and massage sprayer. And again, the stylish handle visually provides a relaxing and enjoyable feeling with different positions of life throughout the shower experience. Due to the innovative movable cartridge structure that I just mentioned, the construction depth of embedded body is between the minimum of 6 cm to the maximum of 7.6 cm from the finished wall, and the mixing valve can be installed in both cemented and wooden wall, with replaceable check valve assembled in the bottom of the cartridge to prevent the water from flowing back. JUSTIME's concealed valves are revolutionary products for bathrooms and showers that can perfectly fit private housing, apartment, or public spaces such as hotels. For most of the consumer's needs, we suggest to use concealed valves with inlet stop version. The reason for this is to prevent any discomfort during maintenance or bathroom renovation. You can simply shut down the valve's water supply directly from its body. For public spaces such as hotels, resorts, or spas, each room or section has separated water supply system. Therefore, in case of any troubles, service team can easily shut down that system and repair bathroom-related problems. Thus, JUSTIME recommends to use regular concealed valve without inlet stop version. For the water pressure, you can choose between two kinds of water pressure. For water pressure in the range between 1 to 4 kg per square centimeters, JUSTIME provides valves with normal hole sizes for normal water flow. In case of higher water pressure of 4 to 6 kg per square centimeters, we highly recommend to use JUSTIME concealed valves with smaller hole sizes to prevent any accident and to reduce the waste of water. And what if the water pressure is lower than standard value? The special C-ring, designed by JUSTIME R&D team, allows you to use concealed valves diverted, even if the water pressure is lower than 1 kg per square centimeters. And in order to avoid unwary scald due to low water pressure, the balanced valve evenly distributes water flow, preventing a flow above flow rate or heat transfer. This makes the system much reliable and balanced, allowing the temperature to reach comfort condition. The handle can be moved up to 25 degrees to adjust water flow rate from closed position. The hot and cold water is controlled by swinging handle for 45 degrees, both right and left sides. In terms of material quality, all the Nature Series faucet and bathroom accessories are made of high-quality brass, and the casting material meets international ISO standard, so you can rest assured about the product quality and safety. Both the handle and the chrome-plated faucet body are compliant with international standards. For the handle, it features chemical-free, and because of the smooth surface, it has better condition for further plating or polishing. Furthermore, since the chrome is applied on the molecular surface, the material sticks stronger, which gives it a smoother and shinier look. JUSTIME Nature Series faucets are the best choice for contemporary interior design based on its simple and clear line. Due to the trend of minimalism, designers adopt more natural materials as the finishes, such as wood, stone, and plants, and integrate into the bathroom design. For the summary, Nature Series is one of JUSTIME's iconic and classic product series. And with the expression of integrating with Mother Nature, we expect you to come up with infinite imagination of various living species as you are using it. The unconstrained design of the LED illuminated mirror gives the finishing touch to the bathroom space. With the sensor faucet, washing your hand is already beyond a simple action, but a high sense for fashion. Bathing with the back shower mixer, your stress from a long day of work fades away. And the bathroom accessories echoes diversity of meristem in nature that brings relaxing feeling for users. JUSTIME's water faucets, mixers, and bathroom accessories are already beyond ordinary, but a persistence in lifestyle. Here comes to the end of the product talk. Thank you Tetra and Archidex again for this wonderful opportunity. And to know more about us and our products, please check our official website at www.justime.com. And please feel free to search JUSTIME on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. And for the YouTube channel, if you like our videos, please share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the latest video. We look forward to hearing from you soon.